Hey everyone, EcoFlow is expanding its lineup of compact and portable power stations with the introduction of the Trail 200DC and Trail 300DC models, both of which are set to launch in the United States on August 1st. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and those seeking lightweight power solutions, these new entries in the Trail series emphasize portability, practical DC output, and versatile charging options. With features aimed at users engaged in camping, fishing, small events, or general off-grid use, EcoFlow's latest offerings reflect a shift towards simpler, more compact energy solutions without compromising on functionality. The EcoFlow Trail 200DC is the more compact of the two. Weighing just over 4 pounds, it is marketed as ultralight and easy to carry, thanks to its integrated handle and rugged yet minimalist design. Despite its small size, the unit houses a 192 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery known for its long cycle life and safety advantages. With this capacity, users can expect to charge a smartphone up to 11 times or recharge a drone around 8 times, making it highly practical for short trips or emergency situations. The Trail 200DC features 4 ports in total, 2 USB-A ports delivering 12 watt each, a USB-C port with an impressive 140 watt output, and an additional USB-C port rated at 100 watt. This setup gives users enough flexibility to charge a variety of modern gadgets quickly, including laptops, tablets, cameras, and small accessories. Recharging the unit itself is just as efficient, with support for 140 watt USB-C input, allowing for fast replenishment from compatible chargers or solar panels. The larger Trail 300DC steps things up with both higher capacity and more powerful output. It offers a 288 watt-hour LFP battery and 5 output ports, 2 12-watt USB-C, 2 140-watt USB-C, and a 120-watt 12 volts car outlet, which makes it a more well-rounded option for users needing to power slightly larger devices like portable projectors or routers. Charging flexibility is another major highlight here. The Trail 300DC supports 3 input methods: 140-watt USB-C, 110-watt car charging, and 110-watt solar input, giving users multiple ways to keep the unit topped up when off-grid. Physically, the Trail 300DC is only slightly larger than the 200 model, measuring just under 7 inches on each side and weighing around 2.6 kilograms. Both models share similar construction elements, including fire and drop resistance, and the option for a waterproof case to enhance durability in more rugged environments. A built-in display provides real-time battery and charging information, ensuring users stay informed while managing their energy use on the go. EcoFlow claims these devices are compatible with over 90% of essential gadgets like LED lights, Bluetooth speakers, tablets, and portable cameras. This wide compatibility, combined with their extremely portable form factor, positions the Trail 200DC and 300DC as ideal for users who need simple, efficient power solutions for short-term outdoor use or backup scenarios. The minimalist interface and clear information display contribute to their ease of use, even for those unfamiliar with portable power stations. At launch, the Trail 200DC will retail for $139, while the more powerful Trail 300DC will cost $189. These competitive price points, coupled with the device's versatility and durability, make them an appealing option in the growing market of lightweight power stations. Though EcoFlow has not announced any plans for a European release, the Trail Series DC lineup is poised to attract attention in the US for those seeking ultra-compact, efficient, and easy-to-use off-grid power solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.